3, 2, 1. And two alliances have moved very slowly. Team 11089 has scored a glyph. And moved Jewel.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And that's Teleop.
$40.97 has seemed to be putting a glyph in the crypto box and is grabbing some more.
And Team 11089 is placing their second one and has knocked Team 10332's glyph off their rock. And as one member of each alliance moves, teams 10332 and 13225 sit.
$40.97 seems to be attempting to put two more glyphs into their crypto box.
And team 11089 is going to place two more. And team 4097 has completed their first row. That's endgame. And as team 11089 completes their first column, team 4097 completes two rows. And in the last 6 seconds, they both try to get back on the balancing board. And that's game. Please put your controllers down.
Good job to all the teams.
And the results are up with team 10332 and 11089 winning.